Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply GCMS notes for Canada for your IRCC applications. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Canadian government site where there's information about how to make a request under this Access to Privacy Act. But you may ask, how did I reach this? So what I did, I went to Google and I simply searched GCMS Notes Canada apply. Okay, you get so many uh, links. This is the first link. So you can apply online. You can apply by mail too, but we'll stick to online. I click on English online. Okay. All right. So now we need to pick up this. Submit a request for information with IRCC, and these are the other departments. So we'll click here. Okay, you can read this. Continue. So for online application, accept ETA. Okay, before you submit request, like they're getting too many requests, so that's why they have asked. Okay, like you may want to check. Okay, check your status and other things. Like if you're in, that's your intention, you can do that. Click on continue. Okay, so you can read this. Click below to continue. Now, if you're seeking information or status of immigration application, reason for refusal, copies of documents submitted, other information, then you can click on this application personal information. Of course, we are not going for corporate. Okay, select the act. No. To be eligible to make request under, you must be Canadian PR or an individual corporation currently present in Canada. All you are able to make a request. Okay, fine. So what is your status in Canada? Let's say you are a Canadian citizen. Let me tell you a sample case. Recently, one of my friends, or I should not say friend relative, had applied for a Canadian visitor visa, which was refused. So he wanted to get the GCMS note. So I had applied for him as a representative. He did sign the form to release information, and that was accepted. So this is your information. Okay, whoever is submitting. I'm just putting a sample. Of course, I won't be submitting. Street number. I'm just putting sample street name. KJJJ. See, also city. Ontario. Beautiful as per your case, country. Postal code. The sample. Telephone number format is given. This is like I'm just putting sample. You need to put an email address. I'll just put sample, guys. You need to put a correct email address. Are you requesting information on your behalf? If you select yes, it's good. I mean, it's easier without document. But if you select no, then you need to answer additional questions. Are you requesting information concerning a deceased individual? I select no. Select the category that best describe you. Who are you? Academia, business, private organization, member of the public asset. How would you prefer to get the requested records? I select email. You have CD also, but I don't think many people use CDs nowadays. Act selection. Which act you want to request under? So here you have to select the act. So if you go for Privacy Act, it's free. If you go for Access to Information Act, it's gonna be $5. So which language you want to receive? I select English. Continue. Which type of records you want to select? Request. I select IRCC. What program would you like to receive request from? Okay, kind of. Temperature, temperature and permit, travel document application. Okay, you have all this kind of ETA, COPR, citizenship, landing records, medical, refugee claim, temporary resident, student visa, visitor permit, or temporary resident permit. Information, just I selected this sample. Okay, anything you can select based on your situation. Of course, don't select something that doesn't match your situation. Like suppose if you have applied for student visa, then you can select this. What information? Status update, the application supporting document correspondence sent to and from IRCC, reasons for refusal including officer's note. You can select this what it says. So status update of file, like if your application is in progress, and then you generally go for the status update of file including officer notes. If it has been refused, you go for this. Okay. Now this is application information. I'm just putting a sample. Requesting information for someone. I'm just putting. Now this is the applicant name. UCI, it's not mandatory, but who somebody has applied to IRCC, definitely they have a UCI if they have reached a decision. So what's gonna do? Once you submit it, in the next step, they will ask you to fill that form, representation form, and then you can review, validate, and submit. Of course, I'm not gonna go that way, but you got an idea how to do this. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video.